Hey, how's it going? Today I'm going to go over how to draw Bart the Raven. It was from the Simpsons Treehouse of Horror. There's an episode where Homer's chasing a raven around like Edgar Allan Poe, and it is Bart. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to do Bart as a bird there. So it's going to be simple, easy, completely for beginners, so follow along, all right? Let's get started. Going to go over here, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a circle over here for Bart's eye. And I'm going to draw another circle over here for kind of the back eye over here, but I'm not going to complete it though. All right. Going to go start maybe about this area, and I'm going to pull a line down forward a little bit for the beak, like here. And it's going to pull back in. Okay. Going to go over here to the back, and I'm going to have like a C shape over here toward the back. Pulling in, and then a little bit of that lower lip right there. Let's throw a dot over here, curve line over here for kind of the brow. Gonna go over here and find the back of the head around this area, just kind of like just placing it maybe yay far, not too far, like right there. And I'm gonna curve down the back. Don't forget, if you like learning how to draw different things from Halloween, hit the subscribe button, okay? This place, this Halloween channel has the largest archive of Halloween drawing videos in all of YouTube, from what I can tell. So there's many different ways to draw everything. There's different cartoons like this, Halloween-related episodes to other stuff. So absolutely hit the subscribe. It takes 2 seconds, and it's, you know, there's no downside to it. It just kind of shows up on your feed every Halloween. Down over here. Front of the neck, and I'm going to go over here this area, and I'm going to zigzag line along the bottom of the neck there. Going to go curve over here for the front of the stomach, so I'm going to go over here, curve, go over here to the back, curve, going to go over here on this side, and I'm going to find his wing folded up. Right, so what I'm going to do here is I'm going to draw kind of like a straight line over here along the back. Curve along here. And I'm going to connect the neck there to the back, right there. Okay, just very little details, you know. Right on. So I'm going to actually close off this wing area here. Going to go over here to the leg. Down. This could be the foot. Curve off the top of the foot right there, kind of going into where the wings are. And I'm gonna pull this close, that lower part of the body. Gonna go over here in this area, curve up. Line for the other leg. Out, in. Out, in over here, curve over here, out over here for that foot, sorry, that toe, I guess. Gonna go over here and that toe. To be honest, it kind of looks like croissants to me. I kind of think of like croissants. Gonna go over here, and I'm gonna curve the top, curve the top, curve the top, curve the top. Curve, line over here. Same thing, line over here for the texture of the foot, and I'm gonna curve along here. If you have any other like requests, let me know. Especially if there's Simpson requests, you know, is there any because there's a few on this channel already. Go check out the playlist, the Simpson Halloween playlist. Is there any other ones that you want? I will totally make them happen. Gonna go over here. I'm trying to fill up my playlist for other cartoons as well, those Halloween episodes and stuff. So definitely let me know, and I'll kind of fill them in. Line out for the tail, out over here. So that shape is everywhere, right? The zigzag, because it's going to be like the top of his head, Bart's head. So that zigzag shape is out right there as well. All right. Now what I'm going to do here is I'm going to go to the top of the head, and I'm going to curve line upward. I'm going to go over here and going to pull that line up for the top of his head. And then I'm going to do the very, very famous like Bart hairstyle, right? like so. So now everything we do from here on is going to be mostly just kind of like surfacey details. Like I can throw a few more lines here into the wing right there. Don't forget, by the way, there's two different things. Number one, if you want to learn how to draw anything and everything in general, go check out sketchingeasy.com, and there's a beginner drawing lesson. If you click the dragon, there's a beginner drawing lesson there. Go check that out. Also, just to check out the website in general, there's a lot of tutorials on there. I'm gonna go over here. If you want a beginner drawing ebook, there's a cute drawing ebook. I'll put that link below as well. It's just like a cute drawing ebook. Go over here. So basically it talks about cutifying stuff. I don't think the characters are that cutified in The Simpsons. They are cute, I guess, in their own way, but I wouldn't find them like super adorable. Now, I'm going to draw a thick line around the entire outside character because I kind of want to make him look like a sticker. Right here. So, curve, curve, curve over here. Line underneath, just still doing this stuff. I don't know what I'm going to dress like for Halloween. I'm always struggling with that. That's like my infinite, every single year kind of struggle. So, but I'll try to figure that out. Curve over here, curve down, curve underneath. Curve over here, up. Whew. And there you go. That is it. Hopefully you enjoyed that. Like I said, if you're a Simpson fan, shout out, hit the like, share, definitely share the video. I want to spread the kind of Halloween spirit this year really hardcore. So spread it anywhere. Facebook, Twitter, anywhere that you can share it. I believe there's a share button in the bottom right hand corner. It takes like literally less than a second if you do want to help the channel grow. And that's pretty much it. Been doing this for about 6 years, and yeah, I'm gonna keep doing it because I love it. But definitely help me grow if you did enjoy the video. Thank you so much. I will see you next time. Stay spooky. See you in the next video.